Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I've managed to find myself a sunny spot outside. I haven't had a lot of really nice sunny days over winter, so I thought better make the most of the opportunity and yeah, do a video out here. So I've just poured up a glass of my Superdelic XPA off the keg. So if you've probably seen my recent videos, just got back from a trip to Melbourne, which was fantastic. But that's given the XPA a good chance to sit in the keg. I haven't tasted it for a good couple of weeks now. So it's 3 weeks in the keg in total. And very happy with the appearance. It's still slightly hazy, but it's got 20% wheat in there, so that's sort of to be expected. And the rest is the Pilsner Malt. So I thought it was a good opportunity to dig out the old Emerson's, which is a brewery here in New Zealand, their Pilsner glass. Thought it'd be a perfect glass for the beer. So nice straw colour there, and that wheat's helping it hold a nice creamy head on the top. So yeah, just a quick recap before we dive into it. So yeah, 20%, roughly 20% wheat, 80% Pilsner malt, fermented with USO5, very simple recipe, and then Superdelic all the way through. So it was sort of split into 3 lots of Superdelic, so 25% went in at the end of the boil for bitterness, 50% went in for a 15-minute hop stand at 80 degrees, and then the rest 25% went in at day 3 for a dry hop. Like I said, 3 weeks old, came out at, I think it was 4.7. If I got that wrong, I'll put it on the screen. And this is a perfect opportunity to give it a taste. So cheers guys, hope your weekend's going well. So we'll go in for a smell first. Yeah, it's got when I was pouring it up out of the keg, got a really nice citrus is what I'm getting initially, and then yeah, some sort of like stone tropical fruit aroma, really nice coming off the top there. So let's not waste any time, we'll dive into it. That's good. Everything from the aromas coming through into the flavour. Getting more of that citrus. I call it a delicate citrus. And then it's described, yeah, it's definitely got tropical fruits. So the hop profile is described as tropical fruit, but it's to me, I'm getting some like peachy sort of stone fruit in there as well. It's also described as having red fruit and candy / lolly characters. Yes, yeah, I can just on that last sort of mouthful get almost like a boiled, you know, the candy boiled lolly sort of flavour, just to sort of hint of that. But yeah, very nice combination of flavours. Almost a bit of lemon as well. Very refreshing. Really liking the Pilsner malt with that hop, you know, giving the hop a really good chance to shine. Very Pilsner-esque in its not only its appearance, but the body and the flavour. So even though it's USO5, it's, you know, it definitely reminds me of like a Pilsner style beer, without all the mucking around of using a lager yeast. Dangerously drinkable, very refreshing, very easy to drink. The wheat gives it a nice little slightly creamy mouthfeel. yeah, very happy. Got some nice glass lacing there. I did have an initial, just to be upfront, I did have an initial taste test only about 3 days after it was in the keg, and I found there was a little bit of a harsh bitterness there. Maybe there's a little bit of hop debris in the bottom of the keg, but that's all gone. It's got really nice bitterness. I think from memory I was aiming for around 30 IBUs. Sorry, I didn't write it down, but I'll put it on the screen. But that slight harshness I got on that first sample, which had me a little bit worried, that's completely gone. Yeah, perhaps I just picked up a little bit of hop debris, like I say, that got transferred from the fermenter. But yeah, it's got a nice smooth bitterness there now. So, you know, being away and giving it a chance to sit in the keg and not touching it has definitely paid off, because often I'll drink it, would have drunk quite a bit over that time, and yeah, not sort of benefited from having it sitting there. Yeah, it's got almost, yeah, it's definitely sweet, sorry, not sweet citrus, delicate citrus, delicate stone fruit. Yes, slight sort of that candied lolly, which is really nice. Overall, really impressed with the hop. Probably pair with some other hops really nicely, go well in other beer styles, probably like a hazy New England IPA. I can imagine it'd be really good. IPA would be great. Yeah, so I'm very happy with that. So cheers guys, thanks for watching. If you got any questions or if I missed anything out, just sing out, and enjoy your weekend, enjoy some good beers, and we will catch you in the next video. Cheers, over and out.